Office 365, now rebranded as Microsoft 365, is a comprehensive productivity suite that has transformed the way businesses and individuals manage their day-to-day tasks. This subscription-based service offers more than just the traditional Microsoft Office applications. It integrates cloud-based technologies and machine learning to enhance user experience and efficiency. One of the suite's most significant advantages is its cloud functionality, which allows users to access their documents, emails, and applications from any device, anywhere. This is particularly useful in today's increasingly remote and mobile work environments. Microsoft 365 ensures that teams can collaborate seamlessly with features like real-time co-authoring in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and the robust communication platform Microsoft Teams. The suite includes a range of applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, and Teams. Each tool is constantly updated with the latest features without the need for manual installation of new versions. For instance, Excel now boasts advanced data analysis tools and AI-powered features such as ideas, which help users find patterns and insights in their data. Security is another cornerstone of Microsoft 365, offering enterprise-grade security features that are suitable for both large corporations and small businesses. Features like advanced threat protection and secure mobile management options protect data and provide peace of mind for users. Microsoft 365 also offers various plans tailored to different needs and budgets, from individual users to large enterprises. Each plan includes access to online storage, ongoing tech support, and regular updates. This flexibility ensures that all users, regardless of their requirements or resources, can find a solution that fits their needs. Despite these advantages, some users may find the subscription model costly over time, especially if they prefer a one-time purchase. Additionally, the extensive range of features and continuous updates might overwhelm users who are accustomed to simpler, more static software versions. Overall, Microsoft 365 is a robust and dynamic suite that meets the diverse needs of modern users. Its integration of cloud services, frequent updates, and strong security measures provide a solid foundation for handling a wide array of tasks in the digital age. Whether for individual use or within an enterprise setting, Microsoft 365 offers tools that help users stay productive and connected.